The Independent Patriots for Change IPC has rejected the outcome of the sham elections. Here is Dr. Paduleni Itula's full press address a while ago. Sabina mashoko atuna kuti vakomana opposition varamba results achangobuda kunyangwe mapolls asati apera kukauntiwa. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa the Windhoek Times anoboda chiona the address nonyorwa ichinzi fellow Namibians, tonight I address you as our nation faces a moment of great uncertainty, of an unknown total of ballots cast between the 27th and today, the 30th of November. Only 160,000 have been counted and released. Thousands of ballots remain locked away, their fate unknown, while polling agents across the country await orders from their supervisors regarding ballots under their care to be counted and their results announced. Polling stations, unlawfully designated as voting centers, continue processing voters under a shroud of illegitimacy. For the first time in the history of Namibia, and possibly in the history of elections, voters are being cast concurrently with the vote counting and results publication. Also, the voting process is being made by widespread disenfranchisement, with the voters turned away due to a lack of ballot papers. Brazen voter suppression, silencing the voices of Namibians yearning for change. Undermining the Electoral Act and its tenets regarding the entire electoral process. In light of these grave irregularities, I have consulted with the leadership of the IPC and we have reached an unshakable decision. The IPC will not recognize or accept the outcome of this flawed process, whether the results declare a win, a runoff, or a loss. We will seek to nullify this election in the courts. Tomashoko anobuda chitaugwa this leader weIPC watiri kuona kuti chaos vakomana yakatika kuMozambique inogona kusupurita chipinda zvekare aiwa kuNamibia patiri kuona kuti vakomana veopposition vakutotanga kutorejecta hazvitomboperi mushe panguva inoi patiri kuona kuti aiwa the influence yebato rinozikanwa the ruling party munyika yeZimbabwe reZANU-PF yakukonzeresa. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell.